There's been a change of the guard at the top of Lockheed Martin's F-35 program. After 12 years at the helm, Tom Burbage, Executive Vice President and General Manager of the Joint Strike Fighter program, is retiring, and he will be replaced by Steve O'Brien as of March 2013. Mr. O'Brien visited Rome for a press briefing on Wednesday, February the 13th, where he spoke with Avionews. Please give us an update on the supply situation for the Italian Air Force.
Right now, for the Italian Air Force and Italian industry, we have 6 airplanes under contract. We'll start loading the first airplane in the final assembly and checkout facility in Cameri Air Force Base in northern Italy in summer of this year. We expect to deliver those 6 airplanes between the end of 2015 and early 2017, which will be followed on by the further years of production for the Italian Air Force and Italian Navy. For the Italian industrial plan, we have over $450 million of contracts today with Italian industry. Projected those contracts over the life of the program, we expect over $9 billion of return to Italy. We also expect to offer another $4 billion of opportunities to Italian industry over the next few years. This should further increase the value. The Cameri facility we view as the logical hub of European and Mediterranean sustainment on the F-35. None of those figures I quoted are included in those numbers of industrial return. We expect long-term, over 50 years of sustainment work to flow through that facility and provide further work for the Italian industry.
Can you give us an overview of the F-35 program in general and when you expect to see the first mission-ready planes flying and operational?
Sure. Right now we're completing development, both the software and the flight test in 2010, 2011, and 2012. We finished ahead of plan in flight test, and we're off to a good start here in 2013. What we have to do is production as well. So last year in 2012, we delivered 30 airplanes to the U.S. government in the United Kingdom. In 2013, we're going to deliver 36 airplanes to the 3 U.S. services plus the U.K. as well as the Netherlands. We're going to increase the number of bases. In addition to Marine Corps Air Station Yuma, which is the first operational base, we're going to add Nellis Air Force Base as well as the operational testers at Edwards Air Force Base. So we're going to increase the flight test, we're going to increase the production, and we're going to increase the pace of operations both at Marine Corps Air Station Yuma in operations as well as the training down at Eglin Air Force Base.
How has the recent economic crisis affected your plans long term?
Well, because of the economic crises throughout the United States and some of the partner quarters, we have seen a reduction in quantities in the near years of production. What we haven't seen is a reduction in the commitment of any of the partner countries. As a matter of fact, we've added Israel and Japan to the F-35 program, as well as the quantities of the overall quantities of the F-35. We have a competition in the Republic of Korea. We look forward to their decision by the end of the year, and we hope to add more countries to the F-35 family.
There's obviously a great deal of sensitivity about the technological components of the F-35. Some countries would be on a sort of blacklist, I assume. Which other countries could be candidates for receiving the plane?
Well, I really need to defer that to the United States government. They're better ones to answer that. Our contracts are with the U.S. government, whether it be through the partnership or foreign military sales in the case of Israel and Japan. Probably a better question for them.